and good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic triangle and also solving some problems of exercise 6.2 related to Thales theorem and converse of Thales theorem. Today I am going to start new topic, criteria for similarity of triangles. Dear friends, what is similarity of triangles? The two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are the same ratio or proportional. Given ABC and DEF two triangles. ABC similar to DEF if angle A equal to D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F, and AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. It is clear? Two triangles are similar if ABC and DEF. So A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F, and also side AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Mainly four criteria of symmetry of triangles. First, angle symmetry. Second, angle corollary of first angle symmetry is corollary of angle symmetry. Third criteria, side criteria, and fourth main criteria of symmetry of triangle, side angle side. So criteria for similar of triangles, mainly four criteria: angle, side similarity, and side angle side. So one by one proof two triangles are similar. There all three angles are corresponding equal to another triangle. So let us to prove angle similarity. Let us move towards the topic angle similarity. Dear students, your first criteria of similarity of two triangles, angle similarity. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional. And hence the triangles are similar. Here given that two triangles ABC and DEF are given such that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F given. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, given A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F. To prove ABC similar to triangle DEF. Construction in triangle DEF, cut DP equal to AB. Cut DP equal to AB. and DQ equal to AC. Cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Join PQ. Now in triangle ABC and DPQ. Here by construction AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ and A equal to D given. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. Since AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ, A equal to D, so ABC congruent to DPQ by side angle side. Since two triangles are similar, then B equal to P and C equal to Q and E equal to P. Since E equal to P, because B equal to E, so PQ parallel to EF. Both are corresponding angles. Then DP by DE equal to DQ by DF by theorem. So DP equal to AB, to DP equal to AB by DE and DQ equal to AC by FD, since DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Similarly, AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Hence, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to CD by FD. Thus, all angles A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F and their corresponding sides are same ratio. Hence, both triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, two triangles are similar if and only if they are equiangular. So dear students, next theorem, angle, side and side angle side. Proof itself. If any problem, you ask me through WhatsApp. So today's class is over and your homework is state and proof rest three criteria, that is angle, side and side angle side. State and proof all three criteria of triangles. Prove that angle similarity, side similarity and side angle side similarity. Thanks, have a nice day.